This tiny cabin home on wheels embraces a contemporary interior style that boldly highlights sharp, vibrant colors, creating a lively and expressive atmosphere throughout the compact space. Instead of relying on muted or neutral tones, this cabin plays with electric blues, fiery orange, deep reds, and mustard yellows, strategically applied on accents walls, furniture, and also decorative elements. The striking color choice breathes energy into the tiny home, making it feel dynamic and far from monotonous. At the heart of the layout is a raised floor platform serving dual purpose. It acts as a subtle spatial divider between functional zones without using solid walls, and cleverly integrated a hidden storage system with sleek sliding drawers. These built-in drawers maximize every inch of the floor, providing smart storage solution that maintain visual clean lines and accessibility. The cabinetry is primarily concentrated within the raised floor area, ensuring the centralized and highly organized storage zone. This strategy allows the rest of the cabin to remain open and clutter-free, emphasizing the home's minimalist yet functional design approach. At the very rear of the cabin, the bathroom is positioned beneath a compact loft bed, optimizing vertical space in an efficient and ergonomic way. The bathroom remains tucked away for privacy, while the loft bed above takes advantage of the cabin's vertical dimension, creating a cozy sleeping nook without sacrificing floor space. Other parts of the cabin are designed to be flexible and semi-private. These areas can easily adapt to various needs, serving as a living room, workspace, dining corner, or even a guest area. The use of open shelving, sliding panels, and lightweight partition help define the zone well, keeping the overall space connected and fluid. This tiny cabin successfully merges bold aesthetic with practical design. Its use of vivid colors, intelligent storage solution, and versatile layout transform a small footprint into a vibrant, organized, and modern home on wheels.